We are coming up on the end of our third year of construction at Chimney Hollow, and things are going great. The project remains about 6 weeks ahead of schedule, so everyone's working well together, building quality work and doing it safely.
Through the first 3 years of construction, between our crews and that of our subcontractors' crews, with all the hard work and effort that they've put in, we've accumulated just over 2.5 million man hours, which is quite an impressive feat. So here's the main dam behind me. This is kind of obviously the cornerstone of the project. We've placed just over 8 million cubic yards of material to date, with just about 3 million remaining. So we're about 75% complete with the volume, but we've only gone 65% of the height, which just means that it's going to start narrowing up at the top, and we have a lot less material per vertical foot, so it's going to start getting narrower and more congested and more challenging, and probably arguably the toughest part of the dam is still to be built over the next 6 months to top out, but we're in a good position.
Over the last 3 years, we were able to nearly complete all of our tunnel work. So we have our portals done, the tunnels are excavated, and ground supports installed, and we're currently just doing the final concrete lining on the tunnel over the next 6 months. All of the concrete work is done with our valve house, so we're now erecting the steel of the superstructure around it. So that'll be our major control center for our Chimney Hollow Reservoir project. Our spillway work continues. We are all of the foundation and slabs are in for the spillway. We're now just finishing up the box culvert sections. Spillway work should all be completed by the end of 2024. Last summer, we did all of the foundation work for the saddle dam, and this summer we're building the embankment portion of that saddle dam. So that is well underway and the work's going well, and we hope to have the saddle dam completed by around October of this year. Our foundation guiding program is something that we've been working on since the beginning of construction, and we are now just about completed with that program. Over the next year, things are going to start to look a little different out here. We're going to finish many of these major features of work that we've started, the heavy civil components of it, and we're going to be switching more to instrumentation and controls and electrical and putting the finishing touches on a lot of the work out here so that we're ready for operation next summer.
So really the next year, obviously we'll be topping the main dam out, we'll be finishing the saddle dam, starting to button up a lot of different work areas as they come to completion. The spillway should be wrapped up, the concrete aspects here before winter. The valve house will start getting closed in here, and then final electrical and mechanical systems installed here through the end of the year.
Throughout this construction program, our team has been committed to our primary goals of safety, quality, and environmental compliance, and the team is ready to finish off this project honoring those commitments. We are planning to start running water in the Chimney Hollow Reservoir in June of next year, and everybody on site is really excited to get to that day. There's something about working at Chimney Hollow that is just really fulfilling. It's doing something for the greater good and for the people of Northern Colorado. And I know that I feel that on site, and I know everybody else on site feels the same way.